So let's do a room tour here in Lake Charles, Golden Nuggets, Lake Charles. I just took a shower. I had a really bad headache earlier. We actually walk, more like walk for I think it's more than 3 miles earlier in Houston. Now we are in Lake Charles. Somehow after we walk for an hour, the hubby just somehow drove here. So yes, this is the first bathroom. This room is what do you call this one? Their suite room. It has 2 bathrooms. The living room. I'll show you. So this is the first bathroom. It comes with this fancy toiletries, lotion, the mouthwash, the dental or whatever, and the cotton buds, whatever. So yes, in that deluxe room, they don't have that. Only in their executive rooms, their suite rooms. I don't know how he got this. This is ranging from, I think it's 400 all the way up to 1500, depending on the days. So yes, they have coffee, complimentary coffee. I hope they have tea here. Oh yes, this is tea. Good. But they don't have the peppermint. So coffee and tea. So it has balcony. Here in the living room, it has 2 TVs. One in that mini bar, coffee bar, and that's another TV here in the living room. And this is the view. It's the balcony. I can't go out. It's really cold right now. So yes, this is through and through. It's like dividing. That wall is dividing the rooms. So we have the king bed, and of course the bathroom, the first bathroom. I mean the main bathroom, with the tub in the middle, and the robe. So again, in their deluxe room, they don't have those fancy stuff. Only in the, I don't know how he got this one, but yeah. So this is, by the way, like free, complimentary. So he got his own host, his personal host, to book his room, because online it's all booked up. So he got this from his personal host. So yeah, this is it. So it also comes with that toiletries. So it has like a bunch of toiletries. And by the way, their conditioner here is really good. Conditioner and the shampoo. My hair is so smooth. So yes, that's about it, and I think that's it. There's another view here. I wish I can show you, but it is really just cold. It is so cold. This is the pool view. So we got both of the view, the pool in the city view outside, like yeah. So this is the corner suite. Again, here in Lake Charles, Golden Nuggets. So yes, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It will help my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. So yeah, I forgot to mention that I don't have anything. I didn't bring anything. We don't have anything. Like we just came here, just with our clothes from running. So I guess we're just gonna get clothes from the store later or tomorrow. Just gonna go down, get some, because they have essentials here. So I'm just gonna get my toothbrush because I don't have anything here. So yes, that's why I don't like spontaneous trips. I like to like plan ahead. Because of my stuff, my paraphernalia, my face stuff. I don't have anything. I don't have my my face skincare. I don't have clothes. So tomorrow we're just gonna go to the store. Depending on, like, maybe we're just gonna go home tomorrow straight. But we have 2 nights here. So yes, I don't know. We're just gonna shop tomorrow. I like to shop here. I like the Express here. They have really good stuff, really good deals. So they have like 70% off on top of already, like, it's already in the clearance. It's like 50% off. So those jeans that I like, it's you can get it for like under $20. So it is a really good deal. So yes, maybe we're just gonna shop tomorrow. And so yeah, because tonight we can do anything. Maybe we're just gonna have dinner, and our dinner is free as well. It's complimentary. So he got I think 250 comp to eat. and and he also has a free spa. So that's what I get tomorrow. I'm gonna get that for sure. And what else? I think $150 free play. So yes. So that's about it. And yes, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you tomorrow.